Hi, students and friends. This is your host and teacher, Sayyid Ayaz Uddin Haider. And you're watching Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. So, in this video lesson, I'm going to solve past papers for the topic air quality and climate. So, here's the question number 1. Oxides of nitrogen, such as nitrogen monoxide, NO, are atmospheric pollutants. Gas from a car engine contains 0.002% by volume of nitrogen monoxide. Nitrogen and oxygen react to make nitrogen monoxide inside a car engine. Construct the equation for this reaction. You have to write the correct formula. Remember, both oxygen and nitrogen exist in the molecular state. So you write N2 for nitrogen and O2 for oxygen. So the correct balance equation would be N2 plus O2 gives 2NO. Next one, state one adverse effect of oxides of nitrogen as pollutants in the air. You know, it's a non-metal oxide, so it must be responsible for acid rain. The other problems associated with the oxides of nitrogen is that it causes respiratory problems and also responsible for photochemical smog. So you can write any one of these: acid rain, photochemical smog, or respiratory problems. Part C, describe how oxides of nitrogen formed in a car engine are removed by a catalytic converter. In catalytic converter, the oxides of nitrogen are treated with carbon monoxide. So simply your answer must be reacted with CO to make nitrogen. This will be the right statement for this question. Moving to next question. A sample of clean, dry air contains 0.04% carbon dioxide by volume. High levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide led to increased global warming. Give one adverse effect of global warming. Now they are asking about adverse effect of global warming. That's climatic change, sea level rising, or ice caps melting. So you can write any one of these adverse effects. Describe how the presence of gases such as carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causes global warming. Now they are asking how. So you can write any two causes for this. Carbon dioxide absorbs thermal energy from the earth. This carbon dioxide reflects or emit the thermal energy back to the earth. The last point, carbon dioxide, it reduces the loss of thermal energy in space. You can write any two causes from this. Part B, carbon dioxide is removed from the atmosphere by photosynthesis. State the word equation for photosynthesis. Remember, you have to write the word equation, not symbol equation. In word equation, you have to write the name of the reactants and products. And you know, for photosynthesis, the reactants are carbon dioxide plus water gives oxygen and glucose. Moving to next question, methane is a greenhouse gas which contributes to global warming. Name a greenhouse gas found in clean, dry air. You know, it's carbon dioxide is found in clean and dry air. Moving to next question, explain in terms of thermal energy how greenhouse gases cause global warming. For the first mark, you have to mention that greenhouse gases absorb thermal energy from the earth. Then you can write any two from these, that the energy from the sun, it's also absorbed by Earth's surface. The Earth emits or reflects thermal energy. Greenhouse gases, they reduces the loss of thermal energy into space. Then an increase in the amount of greenhouse gas results in a higher atmospheric temperature. So you can write any two from these four statements. Moving to next question, nitrogen is obtained from air. State the percentage of nitrogen in clean, dry air. This is something which you have to learn by heart. 78% is the right answer for this one. Sulfur dioxide contributes to acid rain. State one source of sulfur dioxide in the air. You know, the fuels, they contain sulfur compounds, and it's also released during volcanic eruptions. Now describe one method of reducing the amount of sulfur dioxide getting into the air. You simply have to decrease the use of sulfur containing fuels or using low sulfur fuels. And Flue gas desulfurization. In flue gas desulfurization, sulfur dioxide is treated with calcium oxide to get the neutral salt. So these are the methods for reducing the amount of sulfur dioxide getting into the air. Moving to next question. That's question number 6. Describe 2 environmental challenges caused by disposal of plastics. Disposal of plastics is a serious threat to our environment, and they may accumulate in water, ocean, as they are non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable means they cannot be broken down by bacteria. So they are like a nuisance on land and also responsible for the production of some toxic gases when burned. So you can write any 2 from these: landfills, accumulation of plastics in ocean, formation of toxic gases during burning. State 1 adverse effect of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is toxic or poisonous. This is the right answer for this one. You know, it reacts irreversibly with the oxygen carrying pigment in our body, which is hemoglobin. And in this way, it blocks the transport of oxygen to different parts of the body. Okay. So next question, that is oxides of nitrogen are removed from car exhaust by catalytic converter. Complete symbol equation for the reaction that occurs in catalytic converters. The reaction is between carbon monoxide and nitrogen monoxide. 2CO plus 2NO. They gives N2 plus 2CO2. This will be the finally balanced equation for this the reaction that takes place in catalytic converters. So remember, you have to write the balanced chemical reaction equation. Remember this point. Now, thanks for watching. Press like and share my videos. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.